Want to look cute without screaming pick me? Here is the perfect tutorial for you. Alright, let's get started. Do you know I always say makeup only looks as good as your skincare. So never skip that step. So I already done the first step of my skincare, that is face wash. The next steps are toner, serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. Trust me, your full makeup depends on how well you prep your skin. Now for the base, I am starting with a primer. To remove the dark circles and pigmentation, I am using an orange corrector and layering with some concealer over it. Then lightly dab some compact powder over the concealer to lock it in place. I'm taking some foundation on my hand and applying it with a brush first, then blending it with a blender. For my brows, I'm brushing them backwards first and then filling in the gaps to make them look fuller. I'm using a light shade concealer over some certain areas to brighten them up. For my contour, I am applying it slightly above my natural contour line and blending them carefully. And to avoid the harsh lines, I am using a beauty blender. I got so into makeup that I forgot to record this part, but for the base, I used two shades, brown on the crease and orange to blend out the brown. Now I'm doing my cut crease very carefully. If you don't know how to do a cut crease, then you just have to draw a certain line with a concealer and fill it. Always set your cut crease with a compact powder, and I'm using some brown to the outer corners, then shimmer over the crease for the cute look. Curl your lashes, then apply mascara vertically on the both upper and lower lashes. Apply falsies, but leave a tiny gap. This also helps me to create a clean winged eyeliner. I just fill it the gaps and add a little eyeliner to sharpen the edges. Brown shade under the eyes to make the look balanced and gentle. For my lips, I am using a pink shade to neutralize the pigmentation, then applying a brown lip liner, then a brown lipstick and a pink only in the center, and some highlighter, and finally gloss. Perfect juicy lips. And the last step, some blush on the apple of your cheeks for that cute fresh vibe. And that is babies, soft, cute and totally crush worthy. Now go and slay the day.